Hi guys, this is Manoj. I'm from Market Ideas for Profit. This is the early morning of the 15th of November, and I am making this video to give you analysis on a stock that I think can do well in the next 1.5 to 2 months, or maybe earlier. So the stock I'm talking about is the Ongc, the public sector oil giant of India, and this is the chart that you see that I'm analyzing here. I generally use the volume profile method to analyze my charts, and there are two. I have divided the periods into two sections where there are two balance areas that have been created. So to give you an idea, I have drawn a volume profile. And these two volume profiles are the ones that I have constructed to give me an idea as to the structure of what the prices have been doing and how the prices can go forward. So we have seen this was the higher value area, where this was I have taken the period from you can say from the early May to the 15th of June, where we saw some equilibrium, and the 70% of the volume was distributed in the top half of the price distribution. And then the next part I have taken from the 17th of June to date, where we have seen some value being created in this area, which starts from the 125.50 to the 140 area. So this is the value area. These two value areas have been defined in these structures, and now we see that in the last 5-6 sessions we have moved out of the value area after spending quite a lot of time in the bottom half of the two value areas, and there's been a good consolidation of prices in this area, and now we are seeing that we are trying to, there's some imbalance in the price move, and we are trying to go to the second value area. So normally, being the normal norm is that once the price leaves a value area, it either tends to reverse back into the value area or goes higher and tags the POC of the next value area. This is the normal structure that I would use to trade these setups, and I see that there's a good amount of volume which is over the normal average volumes that are being created while the prices are pushed out of the lower value area. There's been an earnings report, and there's been no negative effect on the prices. In fact, the prices have gone up. The report came out on the 14th of November, which is today, and there's not much of a price reaction. And to cushion for whatever price volatility we have, I've taken a stop loss of 7.5 rupees, 9.5 rupees here, and I see a projected price of 1.157 in the coming days. So this is my analysis, and I am very bullish on this counter. I have already given a trade, and I think that this move should happen in a matter of 4 to 6 weeks, and we should be looking at 157 in all probability in the near term. If you like the analysis, please give me a thumbs up, and do subscribe on the channel for more such stock analysis that will come your way. Thank you.
I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so